Taylor. 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 Hi! Sam, Bob, and I are just hanging out in my room right now, and it's really boring. But I'm packing, and that's totally not exciting to talk about. So I'm gonna take you around my room because it's not like you've ever been here before. But there's new things, and you might like them. And look, tapestry, so cool. And knitting. Oh shit, the battery's running out. Okay, polar bear, gotta go faster. Okay, a fish. Look, that one sings Hoover. Okay, the other one died, and that was really sad. That happened yesterday. Boo-hoo, sad. Oh, that's Marissa's birthday present. Shh, don't tell her. It's a secret. And that's Messy. And look, monkey. Oh, and I'm listening to Pink Floyd. What a coincidence, because I'm wearing your Pink Floyd boxers. They're my butt. And I miss you, and I love you. And your movie made me laugh, and it was awesome. And you're so cute. How do you do that? Who did it? Who made you so cute? Okay, bye. I love you.